Hi everyone, happy Saturday evening. I thought I would just hop on over here and do a little video of this Pioneer Woman overnight baked French toast casserole that I'm about to make. I procrastinated till the last minute, but I gotta get this thing in the fridge. I'm helping at our Elks Lodge Father's Day brunch tomorrow. Here's a little montage of all my things growing in my kitchen window. I'm rooting some blackberry vine cuttings right now, and this bulb is finally coming up, and I have a sweet potato that just took it upon itself to start growing in my window, and all kinds of fun things that I'm rooting so I could plant outside. Anywho, I have 4 loaves of brioche bread. I have I have a 9x13 and an even larger pan that I've greased, and I am going to put together shredding a bunch of bread into these pans, and then my heavy cream, brown sugar, vanilla mixture that pours over the top that I will show you. And then I cut up butter and flour and cinnamon and sugar into a crumbly mixture, and then I sprinkle that over the top in the morning before it goes in the oven. So thanks for taking this French toast goodness journey with me, and I will be back. Hello again. Okay, so here, put on my little spotlight there. Okay, so we have a bunch of shredded, pulled apart brioche bread, and I put that in the dish first, and then I will put the recipe in the description. But this is a combination of heavy whipping cream, milk, sugar, brown sugar, vanilla, and between this and another larger dish that I did with the blueberries, it was like 16 eggs. Blended that all up and poured that on. It makes just like a little bit of a thing on the bottom, but that bread soaks up all that juicy, milky concoction, and it gets really soaked and puffy overnight. And then I whipped up the rest of the heavy cream I whipped up so I can, with a little bit of vanilla and powdered sugar, so that I can serve that with it. And in the fridge, I already have a big tray of this same thing, bigger dish, but I put a bunch of blueberries on it. That I kind of spaced out and covered with foil and put in the fridge already. So I will show you tomorrow a quick picture of what this looked like out of the oven. It's supposed to be overnight. In the morning, I put on a mixture of cut up butter, cinnamon, sugar, and flour, crumble it all over the top, and that buttery goodness just makes like a wonderful crust on top. And this bakes for about 40 minutes, but I will put the recipe in the description. Okay, have a good night, and happy Father's Day tomorrow. Here is the finished product, blueberry and no blueberry. Happy Father's Day.